Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I have taken 30 days English speaking practice challenge. So this is day 1 and today I will share my daily routine. So let's get start. First first I wake up early in the morning around 5 a.m. After that I sit properly. I remember guard around 30 to 60 seconds. After that, I get off my bed and I wear my sleeper and I go to washroom. I wash my face and hand. After that, I go to kitchen. I boil the water. I drink water, then I go for walk. I walk around 10 to 15 minutes. After that I go for freshen up and after return again I go to washroom. I wash my hand, face and foot. After that I brush my teeth. I take bath and I wear my clothes. After that, I take some food and I take some food and I drink water. And then I do some works for a daily household work and after that I take some rest. Sometimes I go for sleep and in evening I go for walk. Sometimes I don't go for walk and I I go to get milk. After that I study 1 and 2 hours. After that I take dinner and I go to sleep on my bed. So guys, this is my daily routine. This is my daily routine and this is my first day for 30 days challenge. So subscribe this channel and support me and this is this video for beginner because I am a beginner and I am learning this language. So if you are a new learner, you are a beginner, so subscribe this channel and listen my daily routine and you write your daily routine in comment box. So thank you. See you soon the next video. Bye bye.